So agent.py enable the Google search tools. Let's search tools is there or not. Control F, Control V, tools. Not there. Must be somewhere. Not there. Google search. Oh, search this one. This is also not here. Geo Validator, no? Yeah. So if not there, tools is equal to just copy and paste it here. Enable the Google tools type by tools is equal to Google search. Let me check and do it is taking or not. User ID this one 5 6. It will work or not, I don't know. Let me check. Tools is equal to Google search, just I am giving, and copy this and go to terminal, Control C, Control V. Let us see it is running or not. If not run, then we will check again. So seems it is working, which I written the code now in the Python file. And after that I am running this command cd and awd, that cloud share environment, and after that I am going to Geo Validator. What's the next question? What are some this already done? Sorry, I went in wrong place. So you see here they are asking model country capital. So I have created a new model, country capital, base model. It is asking base model, inherit, and capital in string, field are capital, string. So that's all the change is required. I'll put my by J Bharat. Then what next? After that, as I said, no need to save, automatically save it, and it is asking run this command. So I am going terminal, just dual mode, Control C, command here. Let us see it is running or not. It is taking time, some problem. You know what is it? It is saying base model is not defined here. Okay, so let us create this class, define it. So I am going here, name base model. Okay, sorry. What is that? What is the error? Some error there, no? Something. Error was base model not defined. So for that I did from make import base model. Okay. Now from parametric base model, it is there already. Define parametric model and base model. Now it is saved automatically. I am going to open terminal, run it. It is taking time. Since it is running, let me check my progress. Yahoo, done.